Hi everyone, I hope that each of you are having a great day. So in today's video, I will be giving you some easy meal ideas and showing you guys what we ate for dinner for a whole week. I hope that you enjoy. Now let's get cooking. So first up, on Monday, I made Italian chicken, roasted potatoes, and green beans. So first I have some boneless, skinless chicken. I've already cleaned it and trimmed it. I'm going to be adding some salt, seasoning salt and pepper, and then also some kicking chicken seasoning. You guys, if you guys have not tried the kicking chicken seasoning, go ahead and give it a try because it is so good. Some people may have already tried this before. It is so good and it's just so easy. So here I'm just pouring the Italian dressing on top of the chicken, putting it in some aluminum foil, and then I'm going to cook it in the oven on 350. Next, I have the roasted potatoes. I've already chopped up the potatoes and I am using yellow potatoes. Red potatoes are really good too. So I'm just going to put some olive oil, seasoning, salt, some pepper, Italian seasonings, and then garlic powder on there. And I'm just going to toss those in and put those in the oven also. So I was talking to my sister about the roasted potatoes, and she gave me an idea. Maybe I should have put them in the air fryer just to see how those came out. She said they come out really good. So that could also be an option for you to put those in the air fryer. So on to the green beans. So I have some olive oil that I put in the pan. I'm just going to fry up some bacon. I use turkey bacon, but you could use whatever kind of bacon you like. I also put some minced garlic in there. So I'm just going to cook that up until the bacon is crispy. And then I am going to pour in 1 cup of chicken broth. And then I'm going to add my green beans, season it up, and then I am going to let that simmer for about 30 minutes. So I am seasoning them up with some seasoning salt, pepper, and then garlic powder. And then sometimes I do season them with lemon pepper. And then sometimes also I add an onion, but I just didn't today. To me, this is the best way to make green beans for me and my family because we love them like this. We prefer them like this. Or sometimes I also will buy the fresh green beans out of the produce section, and they're really, really good that way too. So here's everything all done. The roasted potatoes are nice and crispy, which is how we like them. Green beans are done. And the chicken is done. And I also made some crescent rolls to go along with that. Y'all, this meal is so delicious and it's so super easy. It's like one of our favorite meals to make. And it's fine with me because it's super easy. You can also put the chicken in a crock pot or your Instapot also. Okay, so Tuesday we had leftover Italian chicken. So now Wednesday we're going to be eating a buffalo chicken salad. Y'all, this is so easy, like so easy, but so, so good. So I am just making some anytime buffalo chicken by Tyson, super easy. Just going to put that in the oven. And then I'm also making some breadsticks, super easy from the frozen section. So I'm just chopping up some lettuce. I use romaine lettuce because that's our favorite, but you can use whatever kind you want. So I'm putting that in my salad spinner in order to get all that excess water off. This thing is amazing. So I also went ahead and chopped up our salad toppings, which you can see over there in that chip and dip container. I use that to put all of our toppings in because each of my family members like different things on their salad. So that way everyone can pick and choose what they want instead of me just mixing everything out together. I also use that for our taco nights also. I always season our lettuce. I put a little olive oil and then salt and pepper just to give it some extra flavor. And now I'm just mixing it around just to make sure everything, all the lettuce gets evenly coated. Now it's time to put this salad together. So I went ahead and chopped up the buffalo chicken after that was out of the oven. Me personally, on my salad, I like hard-boiled eggs, sunflower seeds, cucumbers, and tomatoes. And then I also like cranberries and pecans on my salad. I'm the only one in my family that likes sweet with their salad. So I like sweet and savory. And then I'm also going to put some shredded cheese on there. And then I'm going to top it off with some ranch, of course, because you got to have ranch with your buffalo chicken. So y'all, this salad is so good. Me and my family eat this salad all the time. My kids even love it. So you guys should definitely give it a try. And it's so easy. So on Thursday, we ate chicken pot pie casserole. This recipe is also super easy. So I just have some chicken breast. I'm just going to grill that on the top of the stove. I'm going to just season it up with some seasoning salt and pepper. So if you guys like these type of videos or this content so far, please don't forget to subscribe. So I'm just going to cook that chicken until they are completely done. And then I'm going to chop those up into about a half an inch cubes. So now I have an onion I am just chopping up. I'm going to be using my vegetable chopper. Y'all, this vegetable chopper is a lifesaver. I picked it up on Amazon. This thing is amazing because I do not like chopping up onions. A lot of the times when I have extra time when I'm cooking, I will chop up a bunch of onions all at once in my chopper, and then I will put them in the freezer. So that way it saves me time next time, and also for green peppers also. So I'm just going to cook those onions until those are soft. So now I have some crescent rolls. I'm going to put the whole entire package of crescent rolls at the bottom of my pan. But don't forget to spray your pan first. So anyway, I'm going to put the crescent rolls inside the pan. If you can, try to pull the crescent rolls up toward the side, but a lot of times you cannot, but if not, that's okay. I am going to cook the crescent rolls on 350 for about 20 minutes. And now in the pan with the onions, I'm going to add about a half a bag. So the bag was 12 ounces, which the recipe does call for 12 ounces. But because my kids don't like peas, I only use half the bag. And then I'm using 2 cups of the O'Brien potatoes. And then I'm going to add a cup of water. And then next, I'm going to add the chopped chicken that I had and also some poultry seasoning. And then I'm also going to be adding some seasoning salt and pepper. So I'm just going to cook the mixture for about 10 minutes until it's hot. And then I will be adding 2 cans of cream of chicken. And then I'm going to mix all of that cream of chicken in with my mixture and then cook that for about 5 more minutes until that is hot. So the crescent rolls are nice and golden brown. So I'm just going to pour that mixture. I'm going to lay that out nice and flat. And now I'm going to add some shredded cheese to the top of that. The recipe does not ask for cheese, but because my family loves cheese and we put cheese on everything, I always put cheese on it. This is almost ready to go into the oven. Now I'm just rolling out the second can of crescent rolls. And I'm just going to spread it out just to make sure it covers evenly. And then I'm going to pop that in the oven, still on the 350, and I'm going to bake it for about 25 minutes or until the top is golden brown. So y'all, doesn't that look good? Oh my gosh, like look how golden brown it is, and look at the bubbling on the side. Oh my gosh, it looks so delicious. And you know what, guys, it tastes even better. You guys have got to try it. I know I said that for the last recipe, but you guys have to try this recipe too. And you guys, go ahead and tag me on Instagram if you try any of these recipes, or DM me. So Friday was leftovers, and now it's Saturday. We ended up getting pizza. We usually get some type of takeout or pizza, or it's every man for themselves on Saturday. I don't cook a lot on Saturdays. So anyway, we got Papa John's pizza, and then the kids wanted to go to get ice cream. So I got cheesecake ice cream from Twisties. It doesn't look very appetizing probably now because we live a little bit of a distance away from one, so it melted a little bit on the way home. So I just threw it in the freezer, but it was still delicious. So Sunday, the last of the week, we have beef tips, mashed potatoes, and green beans. So I have my beef stew meat. I am just sauteing that in my Instapot. I am using, of course, seasoning salt and pepper, and then also this steak seasoning that we picked up from Walmart that we love. If you guys haven't tried that, it's made by the same brand as the Kickin' Chicken, and then they also have one for burgers too that we love. So I'm just going to saute that. I'm not cooking them all the way. I'm just going to cook those just until they're just like a little brown on the outside. And then I'm going to add some French onion soup by Campbell's. Next, I'm going to be adding some brown gravy. I just used the packages. I think I used the Great Value brand. Then I'm going to be cooking these for about 20 minutes. And y'all, after you cook these, they come out so tender. This Instapot is a lifesaver because especially if you don't have a lot of time, I literally cooked this in 20 minutes. Yeah, at first I was intimidated by this Instapot because obviously it's a pressure cooker. So I let it sit for about a year. I got it from work. I won a contest at work for Christmas, and I ended up getting it for free from work, and I let it sit for about a year. So, but now, ever since I've got the hang of it and start using it, I love it. Yeah, but this meal is, again, so delicious. So I put that over top of some mashed potatoes, and I made some more green beans just like I made earlier in the video. And then I've just made some Grand's biscuit. But y'all, this is going to be the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed, and I hope that I was able to give you some ideas for dinner. Tell me which one is your favorite in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a wonderful day.